Hey everyone, Irit here with a new process video for HipKit Club. So today's prompt is to use multiple cut files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this super cute dresses cut file and then also another one for my title. And I decided to really focus on a couple of the papers from the Crate Paper All Heart collection that we got in the May kits. I'm using the May kits and kind of back those photos with that polka dot paper and then the pink one that I'm also going to use as my background. So I have two sheets of this, one from the main kit and then the other one is from the pattern paper kit. And I kind of skipped some of the parts here because it's just kind of very repetitive and boring. But yeah, I just backed those dresses with the pattern paper and I kind of alternated between the pink paper and the polka dot just to make things a little bit more interesting. And for my photo, I'm going to use a photo of moi. Yes, that doesn't happen very often. And I also cut the title from the same paper that I used here as my background, and I cut it twice. So one was just like the regular cut file, and then I used one of the Silhouette software, buttons, the one that is offset. So you can get, just like a bigger or smaller version of your cut file. I use that quite often, especially I like it with titles because then you can layer them, and I just like the way that it looks. I think it looks richer and more detailed than just the one pattern paper. I like to use stickers and word stickers because they have that dimension, but then when you use pattern paper, it's just the one paper, and for me sometimes I feel it's lacking. So this is one way to give it some more depth, detail, interest, all that. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to place the second row. I kind of don't like the dress on the left because it doesn't have any pattern in it. So I could have just used just cover the whole thing with pattern paper, but I just prefer the way that the other ones looked, the layered dresses. So I'm just going to find a way to cut it out of my layout. And I feel like I can't go on without sharing some, well, for me at least, kind of big news, and that's the fact that this will be my last layout for the foreseen future as part of the HipKit Club design team. I really want to do like a separate video just to talk about this because it has been such a big part of my life and YouTube and everything. I absolutely love these kits. I'm stepping down for kind of personal reasons, not because I ever had any issues with the kits or with Kimberly, the owner, which is amazing, and I love her. And, she gave me this opportunity. I don't even think I wasn't on any design teams when she asked me to join the HipKit Club design team at the end of, I want to say 2014, I think it was. And I was so thrilled because I've been, obsessing about the kits for months before that. And then I signed up as just like a regular customer. And after a couple of months, I was asked to join the design team. And I have created a layout every single week since then. So that's 4.5 weeks. I took, I think, 1 month off when I had Lily, my youngest, and I still wish I could have gotten that kit because it was beautiful, like all of them are. And yeah, I think I'll just do, sorry, I'm so tongue-tied, but I think I'll just do a separate video, but I just wanted to make it clear that, it was completely on good terms, and, I'm super sad to leave. I love the team. I love the Kit Club, and hopefully I can still be a part of the community in the member forum. In case you don't know, we have a fantastic member forum with tons and tons of inspiration, and people share their work there, everyone, and you don't have to use HipKits to be a part of it. So that's another reason that I love this club and community. And yeah, I just wanted to say, so if, you'll be wondering why there isn't a new video the week after, that's why. And it's a big thing for me, because it has just been, you get the kit every month and work with it every week, and it's really become a part of my life, and I definitely think I will feel the void soon. But yeah, summer is also coming. We have a big trip planned, and I just needed to step down and let someone else take my place, someone who can really put all their passion into it. And I will take a much needed break, and I don't know what the future will bring. We shall see. So back to the layout. I am embellishing it mostly with grade paper stuff, just because, it coordinates so nicely with everything I have going here. So I'm using a few of the chipboard pieces and a few of these kind of puffy stickers. And the thing is that with all this pattern and all the cut files and all the detail, I don't feel this page needs much embellishing. So I'm going to keep that part rather minimalistic, I would say, but I still think the whole design looks, kind of on the busy side, I would even say, because a lot of the real estate of this layout is covered with stuff. Mostly the cut files. I think they're quite a large design element are the words I'm seeking. So yeah, this is very difficult for me to record, because I just, it's a hard decision to make, to leave something that you really love and has been such a part of your life. Also the kids, but just this whole process of sitting down and documenting memories and family photos and everything. And I'm sure I will continue to do that. I'm not sure in which format, so we shall see. I want to address all these things in a separate video, because I really want this one to just be about the layout and the design and, just a normal HipKit Club video. But I would also like to take this opportunity and say thank you so much to everyone who's been following me. I mean, I'm still going to be here, don't you worry, but not with HipKits in the near future. So thank you again. I hope you feel inspired. Check out the HipKit Club website, the member forum, and I wish you a wonderful day and a great week. Bye.